Hey ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to your next cast. Today I am out here in Lake of the Woods during late fall, and I'm telling you, this is one of the best times to be out. There's like 4 or 5 boats that are around me right now, so I'm not going to be talking a whole lot because I don't want to disturb people, and I'm going to try to keep my distance as much as possible. But there's bait fish blowing up all over the place. I'm hoping we can put some big ones in the boat. I'm throwing big stuff today. I'm throwing my 1.5 KVD Squarebill in chartreuse black back. I'm also throwing the 1/2 ounce Jackhammer Chatterbait, which that should be no surprise. I always throw that. But I do have my Gary Yamamoto single tail grub as well, just in case they're not biting those. But I'm gonna sling those and swing for the fences first, and hopefully we can get some nice fish in the boat that you can see and enjoy. So if you like fishing, hopefully you're gonna enjoy this video. Here we go. Ooh, I just saw one follow. Looked like a pretty good one too, or maybe it was a crappie. There are some giant crappie in here too. I caught some recently that were pretty big. So hopefully we can put, we only got, just to let you know, we only got about 50 minutes to fish. So I'm hoping we put a couple nice ones. I'm gonna say 2. Let's go for 2 good sized bass and maybe a crappie, 1 crappie, hopefully 1 good sized crappie maybe we get in there. So let's see what happens. I'm just burning the square bill at this point. Burning this, there we go. Oh, I got a bite. I got a bite, guys. That's a good sign. But I'm just burning the square bill, and then I'm gonna throw the chatterbait. I'm hoping maybe I'll hook up on one of these crappie, and if they swipe at it, maybe I can catch them with my treble hook. But also, since that fish didn't get it, maybe I need to slow down a little bit, or stop it like as I get to the boat. Sometimes you need to do that as well. There's a good one. About time we got one, guys. There's a good one. There's a decent one. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Oh, there we go. About time we got a decent one. It's a nice fish. Chartreuse color. Worked pretty well. Worked pretty well. Let's get a quick weight on him. See how much he weighs. I'm gonna guess it's over 2 pounds though. Bounce back between 2.6 and 2.5. 2.6. Nice fish. Here we go. Let's put him back in the water. There we go. Come on, buddy. Got him. All right, gang, that's number 2 on the black back chartreuse. Got him real good in his lip. I can't get that thing out. There you go. Fish. This is a crappie, guys. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. Now that's a huge crappie. I think that's the first crappie I've ever caught on a chatterbait. Look at the size of that thing. Chatterbait. How big that thing is. See how much it weighs. 1 pound, 1 ounce. It's a big one for sure. Wow, right at the boat, guys. Missed him. Missed him. That hurts right there, guys. That was the one we should have ended on right there. Got him right at the boat. He hit right at the boat. I just didn't yank hard enough. So what's interesting so far is we fished about 35 minutes and we've gotten 2 bass on a crankbait and 1 crappie, 1 nice size crappie on a chatterbait. I thought that would have been the opposite, but go figure. So I'm gonna try to single tail grub a little bit, see if that works. Maybe we can pick up another one. Fish. Oh, bite, guys. Bite for sure. Oh no, it's fish. Fish, guys. Yes. Another giant crappie. How about that? Now that I don't mind ending on. I thought I missed him. Another big crappie. Not as big as the couple of other ones I caught, but that's still a huge slab. Something jumped up right there. I'm not gonna get greedy. We're gonna end on this. We got 2 good bass and 2 good crappie. I'm content with that in about 45 to 50 minutes of fishing. So thank you so much for watching. Lake of the Woods is great in the fall. Come out with your crankbait, your chatterbait, your single tail grub, pretty much anything, and you'll catch fish. All the boats that have been around me, I think, have caught fish. So there is no wrong thing to throw, pretty much. Anyway, I'm gonna put this guy back in the water, and I'm probably gonna keep throwing, quite honestly, because it's just fun. So have a good day, have a good night. We'll see you next time. Well, I threw again, and we got a fish right off the bat, guys. So, another big one. Whoo! Whoa, come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Holy cow, guys. This is the third giant crappie today. Ouch. Look at that thing. I mean, if we were having a fish fry, it would be good, because we'd have some big slabs. I'm talking about some big old slabs. Let's weigh this thing. Holy, did you see that? I probably shouldn't weigh this thing because I should throw again, but I want to know how much this thing weighs, and hopefully whatever fish is over there will stay there long enough for me to do this. Wow, 1 pound, 4 ounces. 1 pound, 4 ounces. That's like my third 1 pounder. Fantastic. Back in the water it goes. One more fat guy for the video. So ladies and gentlemen, I don't know how well you can see me at this point because the sun is set and there's a ton of trees, but I'm gonna show you what I can see, and hopefully this brightens your day or your night. I think I might make this my thumbnail. Great fishing in Lake of the Woods. No, great fall fishing in Lake of the Woods at sunset. Now this is the end of the video, but if you just want to keep watching a great sunset, stay perfectly still. Don't move.